Aww. Is there trouble in the funny hut?
What do you want, Chad?
I'm looking for Sonny. She's supposed to be helping me hang my new Mac Falls posters.
Really? Because I don't see your name on the Sonny scheduling board.
Yeah.
Well, you wouldn't, because now that Sonny and I are dating...
Oh, every time! It's so gross!
She's a very special Chad scheduling board, and it's right there. Oh.
No, you did so disgusting. I can see why they...
Yes. Uh-huh, that bugs you, doesn't it, randoms? You know what? Get used to it! Because now that Sonny and I are dating, it's time for you to start calling Chaddy a daddy. As in, who's your Chaddy? Who's your Chaddy? Oh, hey, babe.
Oh, don't you babe her. She's our babe.
Yeah. Hey, babe.
Okay, all right, stop arguing. I'm gonna settle this right now. Nobody gets to call me babe.
In your face, Chaddy.
Okay, you know what? You guys arguing is really starting to get old.
You know what else is getting old? The Sicky Vicky voice. Rehearsal's over.
I'm not doing a voice. I'm sick.
Oh, really? Then get away from me. Oh, but not too far because I still need you to help me.
Yeah.
How could you go and get sick? Right, but I need help with my career.
Hey!
First.
Can't you people see Milady's not feeling well? You people disgust me. Almost as much as the snot rocket that just came out of Milady's nose. It's okay, come on. Let's go get you some tea. 'Cause you're sick. Love sick.
Oh, stop it!